Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you delete permanently the incognito private browsing file history. So let's get started. So I'm here. First of all, I will go on search, and then you can type your command. So you can see your command prompt. Go on that. I will click this, and then you can see here it's open, and route down this. I'll show it here. So I'll write it here. ipconfig space / flushdns. Just I'll copy it and paste it here. ipconfig space / flushdns, and just I will enter, and you can see here successfully flush the DNS series from a CAC file. All are now we are remove all the history of incognito private browsing history. So in this way we can remove permanently history of incognito file browsing. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.